you're experiencing crashing issues while playing Elden Ring, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. This guide will help you configure your game settings for a smoother experience. Step 1. Update your graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers. This can improve game performance and stability. Step 2. Verify game files. If you're using a platform like Steam, right-click on Elden Ring in your library, select Properties, then go to the Local Files tab and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process will check for any corrupted or missing files and replace them. Step 3. Adjust graphics settings. Lower the graphics settings within the game. Go to the Options menu and reduce settings such as Resolution, Texture Quality, and Shadow Quality. This can help reduce the load on your system and prevent crashes. Step 4. Disable overlays. If you have any overlays enabled such as those from Discord, GeForce Experience, or Steam, disable them. Overlays can sometimes interfere with game performance and cause crashes. Step 5. Check system requirements. Ensure your PC meets the minimum system requirements for Elden Ring. If your hardware is below the recommended specifications, consider upgrading your components or playing on lower settings to improve stability. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve crashing issues in Elden Ring. If problems persist, consider reaching out to support forums or the game's customer service for further assistance.